So here's a quick video on how you navigate through the Uwatch 3. So when you press the button, the knob here, you can swipe right or left. So once you do that, you can navigate to the different type of features that they have here. So this is the main screen where you can see all the logs of your of what you did through the week, how many calories, how many steps, what's the time duration. So once you go home, this is the home button, right? So once you press this button, it's the home. This is your clock. Right here you can do the measurements here, the different modes, measuring your heartbeat, and your phone. So once you go here, it's basically similar to what we had at the Uwatch 2, where you have the different modes. You can set alarm clocks, and then you can control your music, your timer, the setting, the sports record, which is back to the home page here. Nope, it's actually not back to home page, but this is where you'll, similar to what you have here as to the how many records and steps that you have. So it's pretty simple. As you saw, earlier, this watch already came with the latest software, which is nice. So you don't have to update it when you get this watch. So here's just a little setting that you can see, the different type of dials that you can choose from. There's only 4 different dials, so different background interface that you can choose from. And then let's go back. So I guess this is not that's why I was saying that the screen was kind of dim before, but now, if I turn on the max brightness, it's a lot better. It's a lot brighter than just the middle brightness. I think I'm going to definitely turn it on max, because it was definitely having trouble reading it with sunlight, and you need to update the software. So the thing that you need to do, go to your phone. In this case, you have to go download this app called Very Fit Pro, and that will link up your watch, your Umidigi Uwatch 3. So once you open it, you go through the manual, use now, and then it searches the device. You have to turn on your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. As you can see, I already turned mine on, so it knows that it's already synced up to the Uwatch 3. So you press here, let it think a little bit. My phone vibrated. The phone. So once you confirm bind device, so you can see it vibrated. So this phone here is connected to the phone now. So you can just choose whatever that here, the mail, birthday. I'm just gonna skip all of this just to make this a little quicker. So allow access. Do I want to? So I just allow it. So here it is. I think then you can update your phone, your device, to the newer software. So you click here. So it already has the latest version apparently. So I guess I'm fully functional on this one. So it's basically pretty simple with the display here. You only have a few options where you can choose from. The display, as I mentioned before, if you hold it, I think then you can manually change some of the display, but I still have to play around with it a little more. But this is how you originally set up your Umidigi Uwatch 3. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and I'll respond to you as soon as possible.